How to send gift messages in Messenger. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to send gift messages in Messenger, open the Messenger app first. Make sure that you have updated the application. If you have not done that, open up Play Store or App Store. You want to tap on the search bar and here search for Messenger. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now sign into your account, then open up any conversation. Tap on this message box and type in your message. Then, before you send it, you want to tap on the search button. Here, you will find some send effects. As you can see, the second one is a gift message. So go ahead and tap on that. Remember that as soon as you tap on it, the message will be sent. In order to view this message, you will have to tap on the gift box and the message will be revealed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.